Angiphinde nginibingelele nginamukele ngaphansi kwe-YouTube channel uSiba Lucas Zulu. Emavikini endlule I posted a tutorial video how to apply via CAO, and then uTase Gudu Nxumalo had an inquiry. Kulo mbukiso kwanamhlanje I will just reply uGudu Nxumalo. How do you change your email? Befuna ukwazi ukuthi siyishintsha kanjani i-email address yakho lapha kwi-CAO profile yakho. So ngizozama ukuphendula lo mbuzo kaGudu Nxumalo. How do you change your email? So you have to go to your Google Chrome. You go to your Google Chrome and then you type CAO online application. It will take you here and then you just click lapha kwi-link yaka-CAO ebhalwe my application. You just click there and then izobe seyivela la. Mawufika la, you click lapha on your right lapha ku-login. Nangu login lapha phezulu on your right. Nangu login, you just click login. Mangabe somshayela login izobe seyithatha sekubeka la. Mangabe ufika la, you will just have to fill your login credentials, your CAO number that they convert to you via email. You just punch those numbers here and then the password and then you click login. Ufaka your CAO number abayithumelayo nge-email. Uma ngabe usaqala i-application bayakuthumelela i-CAO number kanye ne-password. Mawufika la, you just have to fill lawo ke ama-details akho abasuke bekupha wona uma ngabe usaqala uku-aplaya. And then after suwaphantshile, you have to click login. Izobe seyithatha sekubeka la. You have completed your application. Izobe seyivela kanje if i-application yakho soyiqedile. And to update your email, uza la on your left lapha ku-update my details. Nangu update my details lapha. You just click update my details to change your email. And then mawufika la izobe seyikhombisa ke current personal details akho owafakile by the time u-aplya, and then the personal details if ufuna ukushintsha laphana, your first name, surname, title, date of birth, email address. If khona ufuna ukushintsha laphana ke uzobe sowuthinta lapha ngenzansi. And then to update your email uza lapha ku-email address and then you type your new email address. And then after soyithayiphile, you just have to click next up until ufike ekugcineni. Just click next, click next, you 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 click next, and then ufike la ekugcineni and then you just click lapha uprocess my update. Izobe sebeku-update ke ama-details akho lo osuke uwashintshile. If ukhona umbuzo onawo ungawushiya lapha kuma-comment wakho, sizo-attenda as soon as possible. Umbukiso wethu namhlanje ke ngizowushiya khona lapha kuze kube ngokuzayo. Ngiyavalelisa.